name's Cade.
My name's Hunter. My name's Micah.
My name's Oscar.
My name's Mason.
My name's Will.
My name's Landon. My name's Isaiah.
My name's Brayson.
My name's Nate.
Nice of you guys to say my name so that I knew that. There you go. Deep breath. Good job, boys. There you go. There you go. Now block it all out. Time's going. Deep breaths. You guys are 30 seconds in right now. Okay, go inside. Dry off. Take some deep breaths inside.
Oh, I can't move.
Good job, Mason.
2 more people can come out.
Okay.
How long are we?
You're at 2.
You got this, Will.
Deep breaths, Will. Deep breaths, buddy. Good job. Nice job. Nice job. There's 30 seconds, bud. Nate, you're at 2 minutes and 10. Watch that timer count up.
The hardest part.
Grayson, did you already go?
Oh, yeah.
So, here's the thing. Afterwards,
3-minute, yeah.
nice job. Ups your metabolism. Helps you lose weight. Handle cold exposure easier. 5 minutes at a time. Then you can fill it up with cold and then dump it 20. Who's got the time? What time is it?
I like that it's cold after.